Hello everyone, Sat Shri Akal, welcome to my channel. So from the title of today's video, you guys know we are going to talk about fitness and in particular stretching exercises. I know it's not the most exciting part of working out, but still we need to do them regularly in order to improve flexibility and to reduce tightness in our body. So I'm going to talk about all the basic stretching exercises that I do regularly in order to stay fit. But before we begin this video, there is a tip that you might need some kind of warm-up before these exercises, and secondly, don't put too much of force doing it. So without further ado, let's begin this video. So the first one is all about pulling your head onto one side with the help of your hand very gently. Hold to this position for about 2 to 3 seconds and then release it. Do the same on the other side too. The muscles in the neck and shoulders are usually neglected and they become overworked. This stretch helps in releasing neck pain, tightness, or any kind of discomfort if you may have. For the next one, clasp your hands together on the back of your head and pull your arms backwards. From neck, let's move on to shoulders. As you can see, it's very difficult to pull our shoulder on its own. So there are two variants of this exercise. In the first one, we can use our hand to pull the other arm. Another variation to this exercise is instead of our hand, we'll be using our arm. So we'll try to stretch our one arm while creating a lock with other. And to keep our hands, wrists and forearms relaxed, try this next exercise. This next one is an amazing exercise, especially for ladies. I'm sure just like me, you must have seen ladies in their old age suffering from discomfort or tightness or shoulder mobility issues. So using a band for your shoulders and doing this very simple exercise can help you get rid of all of those issues. You can do these stretches before your exercise as warm-up, or you can do them as your basic regular exercises. This next stretch is very good for our chest and even for our lungs. It's a very simple and basic exercise, but when you stretch, you hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds and then you release it. This next one is for flexibility. Keep your hands on your waist and then turn around as far as you can. So this next one is easy peasy but very effective. So try to stretch one of your arms over your head as much as you can. This stretch works very good for people who are trying to lose their belly fat. This next exercise deals with your lower back. You need to take both of your arms on the back of your head and then pull one of your forearms with the help of other and then hold this position for about 2 to 3 seconds. Again, be very gentle and don't put too much of force into it. This next exercise might look simple, but it is an excellent remedy for lower back pain. While you are pushing both of your arms towards the back, hold this position for about 3 to 4 seconds. From upper, let's go to lower body. This next one is an extremely easy exercise. Using your hand to stretch your foot makes it a little easier. At the same time, it helps you balance as well. This next one is what I call an all-rounder. It is an absolutely amazing stretch exercise for your entire body. Although it's an easy exercise, but if you're not able to touch your feet in the very first go, that's okay. Keep practicing. You will be able to do that in 10 to 15 days. You might find this next leg stretch a little difficult to do at first, but holding it for more than 5 seconds make our leg muscles become stronger and more flexible. Oh, this next one is my absolutely favorite. It is extremely easy to do and it is absolutely fantastic in relieving tension and relaxing the body. Well, as you guys know that I suffered from a foot injury recently, so I'm not able to demonstrate it well, but if you're able to be on your toes for more than 3 seconds, that will be excellent. It is a phenomenal exercise for kids or teenagers who want to grow taller. Another variation to it is bending on both sides while standing on the feet. Try doing these exercises regularly and do let me know how was your experience. Also, if you want me to do more exercise videos, do comment below. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye-bye.